Hello, my name is Bilal Hijazin. I'm here to talk about professionalism and leading by example. Asking the hard question, why did you choose to not only report this incident, but to go public? How did you manage to get such amazing results from a terrible accident? What are the difficulties that you faced during these tough times? I chose these questions because I believe that they have very powerful meanings. They don't point any fingers at anyone. I chose them because they provoke thinking about many ways that we can do to avoid and manage such terrible accidents and events with professionalism and leadership, so we can be an excellent example. The first question asks, why did Dr. Robert Kaplan decide to go public and not just report it like any other incident? He risked his career and everyone's as well for one patient and one error, fatal nonetheless. Part of this answer, I think, is that he had what most of them did not have, which is courage and leading by example. He did what few would do. The next question asks for the process and steps that he took to turn this terrible event into such an amazing yearly event that would honor their mistake. Lastly, would be the mistakes that have happened during this event. I want to know what are the difficulties that he faced, and how did he manage to overcome them? Because I know it did not happen in few days, and I know that it was not a process or step-by-step guidance that he can give me, but I know that his expertise can really manage to help me avoid and manage such mistakes that if it happens to me in the future as well, hypothetically, of course. Building the right question, constructing of a good question, framing better questions, the game plan process, which is assess your current situation, discover the big questions, create images of possibilities, evolve workable strategies. I use these three parts to ask and to design my questions. The article states which questions have more powerful meanings than others, such as why being the most powerful, because it provokes creative thinking. One question that came to me while I was reading the article of powerful questions: why do I strive to help patients and save them? Instead of the same questions which I ask myself, which is what can I study or read to improve my knowledge? It gave me different perspective and much more motivation to actually, oh thank you, to actually study and learn, because now I have a reason, not just to learn, but to help people even more. Being a leader. What did I learn from these events? And why should I care? I learned simply, which is leading by example. Dr. Robert Kaplan did the right thing, which takes courage. As anyone who have worked in the healthcare industry, reporting such events can have devastating results on everyone involved, not to mention being hated by many colleagues. And what he did was very courageous and powerful. Professionalism. Professionals have standards and lines that they don't cross. They honor their careers and prove their competence even in the toughest times. I learned that honoring your patient, keeping them safe, learning from any mistakes that would happen, and creating strategies that would mitigate any future mistakes is being professional, is being honest and competent in your job, and putting everything on the line to be professional, competent as well. Thank you.